Welcome to LeBron Reviews, your go-to destination for the latest tech insights. If you love cutting-edge gadgets and honest reviews, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Now, let's dive into 10 reasons why Apple AirPods 4 are the ultimate wireless earbuds for 2025. Wireless earbuds have become an essential part of our daily lives, and when it comes to cutting-edge audio technology, Apple leads the way. Introducing the all-new Apple AirPods 4, a game-changer in sound quality, comfort, and performance. Let's explore what makes them the best choice for 2025. First up, personalized spatial audio. Imagine sound that adapts perfectly to your ears. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or gaming, the 3D immersive sound experience will blow your mind. Next, let's talk about the powerful H2 chip. It enhances sound clarity, reduces latency, and improves noise cancellation. Whether you're taking calls in a busy cafe or enjoying a podcast, the sound is always crystal clear. Worried about battery life? Apple AirPods 4 offer up to 30 hours of playtime with the charging case. That's enough for an entire workday and beyond. Apple finally made the switch to USB-C charging. Now you can use the same cable for your iPhone, MacBook, and iPad. No more clutter, just fast and efficient charging. Fitness lovers, we've got you covered. The IPX4 sweat and water resistance means your AirPods can handle even the toughest workouts without a hitch. Apple's effortless setup and seamless integration make switching between devices a breeze. Whether you're on your Mac, iPad, or iPhone, these earbuds stay connected without interruption. Say goodbye to distractions with active noise cancellation. Block out unwanted background noise or switch to transparency mode to stay aware of your surroundings. The choice is yours. Clear calls every time. The beamforming microphones focus on your voice while filtering out background noise. Perfect for Zoom meetings, phone calls, or content creation. Style meets comfort. With an ergonomic design, these earbuds stay snug in your ears without discomfort, making them ideal for all-day wear. Now the big question, are Apple AirPods 4 worth the price? With their top-tier features, incredible sound, and seamless Apple ecosystem, they are one of the best investments for anyone who values premium wireless audio. Before we wrap up, let's answer some of the most frequently asked questions about the Apple AirPods 4. Q1. Are the Apple AirPods 4 compatible with Android devices? Yes. While they work best with Apple devices, they can connect to Android via Bluetooth. However, some features like Siri and seamless switching won't be available. Q2. How do I enable personalized spatial audio? Go to your iPhone settings, navigate to Bluetooth, AirPods, personalize spatial audio, and follow the on-screen instructions. Q3, can I use wireless charging with AirPods 4? Yes, the USB-C charging case supports MagSafe and Qi wireless charging for added convenience. Q4, how can I improve battery life? To maximize battery life, avoid extreme temperatures, disable spatial audio when not needed, and store your AirPods in the case when not in use. So, what do you think? Are Apple AirPods 4 the ultimate wireless earbuds for 2025? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Check out the link in the description to learn more.